everybody, this is Christina Maddox with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I'm here at Majestic Elegance in Punta Cana, okay? So I wanted to show you what this room looks like. It's a swim up suite. This room is 800 square feet. And if you're interested in booking this room, 267-334-0301. Take a look how amazing this room is. So this is your half bath. This is your living room area. Okay. This is actually what you see when you're coming into the door. Okay. Right out to your swim up area. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Your jacuzzi here. Gorgeous, isn't it? Towel rack. Coming back in here, you have your living room area here. You can close the doors here for privacy. Okay, you can close the door for privacy. And then this is your king size bedroom area. So here is the television, another sliding glass door there. That's the king size bed. You see that? Majestic Elegance. This is where I am, guys. And so this is your bathroom area. As you can see, everything is just wide open. So you got your jacuzzi area on the deck, your swim up, and this is your soaker tub. You have your sinks here, dual sinks. I'm a huge fan of those. You have your makeup mirror, right? These are the products that they have here at Majestic. Then you have your closet area here. Okay. You have your rain shower. And you have a handheld, right? And then also, you have your toilet area with a phone. This is the room. And the beauty about this room, so you have your king size bed here, and this sofa here is a pull-out. So that's a pull-out queen. So if you wanted to have your kids out here in this area, you absolutely could. You have a little bar area here. You have your coffee area. Your refrigerator that's stocked, that is replenished on daily. So this is it, guys. Just wanted to show you this. If you're interested in booking Majestic Elegance in Punta Cana, contact me, 267-334-0301. I'm on Facebook, Heaven Sent Travel Agency. Thank you, guys.